the front door, you come in to like a, I suppose you call it a split living room, but I would just get rid of that. So you've got like a living area here, and then you've got like a dining area. But to be honest, even if you knock that wall out there, that'd become one big living space. It's quite big. Then you go into the kitchen. Obviously needs a bit of work, but this is the part of the course, by the way, with the repossessions. Most, not all, but most need repairing. But I suppose it's doable. And there's a huge utility area here, which is really handy. Your boiler's there, and you've got plumbing there, washing machine, dishwasher maybe. So, biggish kitchen, largish room, but I would definitely take that wall out personally. In fact, you could take that wall out and have it completely open plan eventually. And then window there, it's quite light, I can't get all the shutters up. And a balcony, looks out over mountains, tennis courts, so it's quite pleasant. It looks like there's quite a lot of bars and shops and activity around here, you know, not that there's a little park there as well, so that's a park area. People just chilling out, and the mountains, and then we come through here. There's a storage area there, which is really handy. So a storage area in the hallway, the bathroom. It's doable for now, but obviously old-fashioned. You know, but as I say, where repossessions are concerned, 9 out of 10 times, you know, this is what you sort of get. You know, they always need a degree of, you know, updating. Bedroom number 1, with storage there, and a window. So bathroom in there. Bedroom 2. There's views out of the window. Bathroom 2 with an ensuite. It's got an ensuite bathroom. And then bedroom 3. So a bit smaller, but not too bad. You get views out the front there. So new doors, replacement of cracked tiles, but these tiles, you know, they're readily available, the common ones. You know, it's got potential. It's definitely got potential. I'm trying to imagine it done up, you know, with which is what you have to do with the. I'd make that an entire open plan. It'd be absolutely huge, right to the kitchen at the end. I'd not walk the walls out personally. Anyway, I'll obviously have those up there as well that go on the wall. They come out to hang your washing on, like that. Put that back. I'll send you an exact location as well, of where we are, so you can check out the local area. Alright, let me know.